The blinking door lock light on your Maytag washer typically indicates a malfunction in the door locking mechanism. This often prevents the door from unlocking, draining, or starting a new cycle. It's a common problem in front-load models, especially those from the MHW, MH, and Bravo series made between 2010 and 2020. The blinking light signals the washer's control board isn't properly communicating with the door latch solenoid, which secures the door during operation. Several factors can cause the door lock issue in Maytag washers. Electrical faults, such as wiring problems between the door switch, control board, and power source, can lead to intermittent signals. Mechanical failures in the door latch assembly, like jams due to wear, debris, or misalignment, can prevent the solenoid from retracting. Software errors or firmware bugs can misinterpret sensor data, locking the door indefinitely. Related drainage issues, where the washer won't drain or spin, can be linked via the same control board. Before seeking professional help, try these basic troubleshooting steps. Unplug the washer for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the control board. Check the door for any obstructions, preventing it from opening or closing properly. Ensure the drain hose isn't kinked or blocked. For smart models, check the Whirlpool app for any available over-the-air updates that might address software glitches related to the door lock. If the problem persists, start by checking for error codes on the washer's panel or app. Common codes include F5E3 for door lock failure or F7E1 for motor control issues. Next, test the continuity of the door switch circuit using a multimeter. This checks if the electrical connection is intact. Cleaning the door gasket to remove mold buildup can sometimes resolve the issue. Inspect the seal for debris and clean it thoroughly. Be cautious with DIY attempts, as they may void your warranty. If you're not comfortable with these steps, consider professional service. If initial troubleshooting steps and DIY diagnostics don't resolve the blinking door lock issue, it's time to call a Whirlpool certified technician. These professionals have specialized diagnostic tools to accurately identify specific error codes and pinpoint the root cause of the problem. Technicians can detect codes like F5E3 for door lock failure or F7E1 for motor control issues, which are difficult to diagnose without proper equipment. Attempting complex repairs without expertise can lead to further damage or void your warranty. Professional repairs typically cost between $150 and $300, and experts recommend certified service over DIY attempts to ensure safety and warranty coverage. To minimize the risk of future door lock problems, avoid overloading the washer. Overloading puts excessive stress on the door latch mechanism, which can lead to premature wear and failure. Ensure the washer is properly leveled to prevent unbalanced loads. An unbalanced washer can strain the door lock and other components, leading to operational issues. Use a level to check and adjust the feet as needed. Regularly clean the door gasket to prevent mold buildup. Mold and debris can interfere with the locking mechanism, causing the door to stick or fail to lock properly. Inspect and clean the gasket weekly, especially in humid environments. By following these preventative maintenance tips, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of door lock issues and extend the life of your Maytag washer. Maytag washers display error codes on the control panel to help identify problems. These codes appear when something prevents normal operation. Common error codes include LF for long fill issues, where the washer takes too long to fill with water. DE signifies a door error, indicating the door lock isn't functioning properly. OE represents an overflow, meaning excess water has been detected in the drum. F5E3 indicates door lock failure, where the door latch solenoid isn't responding correctly. F7E1 signals motor control issues, preventing the motor from starting or stopping as needed. Understanding these codes helps you diagnose problems and communicate with technicians. Recent software updates have reduced error code reports by up to 30% in connected models. Future trends in Maytag washer technology focus on smart diagnostics and AI-driven predictive maintenance. Many newer models now feature IoT connectivity, allowing remote troubleshooting through dedicated apps that log error data and provide suggested fixes. These apps reduce the need for DIY attempts and help prevent lock-related failures by proactively identifying potential issues before they become problems. Looking ahead, AI-driven predictive maintenance is expected to prevent up to 70% of lock-related failures by 2030, using machine learning to analyze patterns and recommend maintenance. By 2026, 40% of Maytag washers are equipped with these smart features, emphasizing sustainability through repairs rather than replacements.